my job, I meet people every day, and sometimes I have to do public speaking. And I was always a little bit insecure to do public speaking if my skin wasn't perfect. My skin always appeared to be dull, and my pores were large. And it didn't look as bright and lively. New Youth products have changed that around for me. Now I don't have to worry about what my skin looks like when I get up in the morning. I just apply my makeup and I go. I've used other products in the past, and I didn't quite get the results that I wanted from these products. I've noticed a difference in my skin from the time I started using New Youth within 1 week. People would ask me, they would stop me and ask me what it is I've been using. My skin was smoother, it was brighter. When I applied my makeup, it was smoother, flawless looking. So I look younger, and I have recommended the products to several of my friends, and they're using it. They all have seen the same results. I've really enjoyed using the products and noticing the changes on a daily basis.